I had got this water hose holder a while back, and I don't like the fact that it hangs onto the spigot and puts a lot of weight and pressure on it. So what I decided to do is take this, and I'm going to drill it and install it right here on the side of the brick. And what I got to do that is I got the Tapcon masonry bit right here and the Tapcon, you know, masonry screws. These are made for concrete and brick, and this is made for concrete and brick. I'm gonna line it right up right here, so I have it lined up where I want. And then the first part I'm gonna put, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna mark it with the bit. So you see how I just marked the 4 holes, so now I know where to drill at. So now what I'm gonna do is just drill these out. This bit actually works really good. To go into brick like this is not an easy thing. All right, now that I have my holes drilled, let me get my impact driver and then a proper bit, and then I'm going to install it, and we should be good to go. Okay, everybody, to install the screws, what you're going to need a Torx 25, which is what I have here. I have a whole Torx set, and this is from the company, you know, Ayum maybe, and these are the security Torx bit, and they run all the way from T5 to T40, so I'm covered on that, and they do fit in both my drivers here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you, pull out the T25 here, and what you do, see how it just fits perfectly right down inside there. You want to use an impact driver on this kind of stuff. So now it's just lining it up, and you want to go very easy with these, by the way. And 4. Now I'm going to go back and tighten them down. This will break screws, by the way. Ask me how I know. That looks really good. You don't have to torque these things a lot, everybody. Look at that. That is solid. I feel like I could almost hang off this thing. It's in there so solid. That ain't coming off of there. I'd have to break it to get it off of there. So let's go ahead and wrap the hose around it now. This is a kink-free hose, so it goes around this very easy, these metal water hoses like this. And this one's the 75-footer. There you go. I have enough room to put maybe 100 more feet on there. Look how solid that is. And like I said, all you need is the Torx 25 bit. You might not need a whole kit like I have, and I use the Tapcon masonry bit and then the Tapcon masonry screws. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the water hose hanger. See you all in the next video.